Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of the program, A Day with Enke Francis. Today, we shall be doing a very quick one, and that is how to make your day very productive, how to have a productive day. It's very simple. Let's think about it. Before the day comes, you have made a rundown of your task. That is, you schedule your tasks. When you are done scheduling your task, the next thing is to categorize them. Now, there are many different ways you can categorize your task. You can categorize them according to the number of time it takes you to execute a particular task. Like you group these ones that you can use 5 minutes each to execute, or you can use 10 minutes to execute each, just like that, or 1 hour. These ones are within the range of 1 hour, 2 hours. You can group them together and say, okay, let me start from these ones. Or you can categorize your task according to their importance. These ones are like you prioritize the importance. These ones are more important, so I should start with these ones. Or you can categorize them according to the task which you put your effort, and the effort can yield greater percentage of results. Like you don't want to begin with the task that yields 20% result when you have tasks that can yield 80% result. So whichever way you feel like grouping them, you can just group them. Begin from one group, begin from this end, and make sure you get to the end of the task. Another one is multitasking. You can actually multitask to make your day very productive, to be able to accomplish, to achieve all you have set out for the day. There are some tasks that you can actually multitask, like you can be cooking and be doing laundry. You can be cooking and be doing cleanup, sweep, mop, clean everywhere. It's very possible. And think about it. Those tasks that you can multitask, schedule them and do them together. It will help you to finish up your tasks for the day very well. Then, this one, I know that many will not agree with me, but if you reason, you know that is correct. It is turning off your notification. Now you're very busy. You're doing this, you're doing that, and then the notifications keep coming in. Bam, 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 this way, that way. It's dragging your attention. It's dividing your attention from what you're doing. If you continue that way, you will be able to accomplish what you have set out for yourself for the day. So what you need to do at this point is to turn off that notification. And of course, if you are not working with data, if the task at hand does not require using the internet, also turn off the mobile network. Turn off the mobile network. Go ahead and complete your task. Then you can sit down at your leisure and you enjoy those things from the internet. It's very simple. Do you agree with me? Wow, it's very simple, isn't it? So, we have come to the end of this program. Don't forget a quick rundown of the tips that can help you have a productive day. Number 1, you should schedule your tasks. Number 2, you should categorize them. Number 3, you should multitask where necessary. Number 4, please turn off your notification, or you can even turn off your mobile network for internet. Then at your leisure, you sit down and enjoy yourself. That will be all now on A Day with Enke Francis. Always do have a date. Bye for now.